Hey everybody! So today I wanted to show you how you can hide some of the Windows updates from showing up on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. You can hide them if you don't want to install those updates, or if you previously hid some of those updates, how you can get those hidden updates back so that you can install them if you'd like to. So let's go over to the computer now and I'll show you exactly what steps to take in order to either hide the updates or show the hidden updates so that you can install them again. So let's go over now. Okay, so the first step you want to take is on your computer, you want to go ahead and open up the internet. Now I'm going to go ahead and use Microsoft Edge just because it's built into Windows 10 and Windows 11. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it right here. If you don't see it right there, just go ahead and click on Start. And then once the Start menu pulls up, you can scroll down just a little bit and Microsoft Edge will be in the list. And if you're on Windows 11, you can just click on All Apps and you can scroll down to Microsoft Edge and click on it. So we're going to go ahead and open up Microsoft Edge. And then once Microsoft Edge opens, we're going to go to a search engine. Now I prefer to use DuckDuckGo, but you can use any search engine that you want to. So up here at the top, I'm going to type in duckduckgo.com. And then in your search engine, right here, we're going to search for hide or show hidden updates in Windows 11. And then you can either press enter or click on the search button right here. Now when the results come up, you want to click on the one right here. It says show or hide updates in Windows 11 tutorial. Now, if you'll scroll down just a little bit right here, you'll see that it says download the wushowhide.diagcab file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this link right here. And if for some reason you can't find this web page, it's okay. I'm going to take this link right here that shows up at the bottom left corner, and I'm going to put that down below in the video description. So even if you can't find this web page, if you can look in the video description, you'll have a link to download this wushowhide.diagcab. And that file is going to help us to show hidden updates and hide updates that we don't want to show in the Windows Update. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to start downloading that file. Now, if you get this message right here that says wushowhide.diagcab was blocked, what you want to do is click on these three dots right here and go ahead and click on Keep. And it's going to go ahead and download that file. And now what we're going to do is we're going to click on this little folder right here, and it's going to open up the downloads folder. Now, if for some reason you open it with a different browser and you don't have that icon, just go down here and click on File Explorer, and then go up here and click on Downloads. And it's going to show you that file right there. And if you happen to have changed your downloads location, you may have to look on the desktop or in Documents or wherever you have your downloads being saved on your computer. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to right click on this file and I'm going to tell it to open. Or you can also just double click on it. Now once you open it, it's going to bring up this window right here. And it shows or hides updates. So we're going to go ahead and click on Next. And again, this works on Windows 10 and Windows 11. What it does is it's going through and it's finding all of the Windows updates that are currently available. And then you can choose whether to hide them or you can show hidden ones. So give it just a moment. Okay, so now we can click on either Hide Updates or show hidden updates. Well, I'm going to click on hide updates. And then there's one update waiting for my computer. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on that update and I'm going to click on next. And now at this point, it's hiding that one update. And then in just a moment, I'm going to go back in and we're going to show you how you can unhide that update. And that way you can see the update in the Windows Update program. So give it just a minute to finish that and we'll go back in and show you how to see hidden updates. Okay, so it just finished. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on close. And now if you were to go to the Windows Update by clicking on Start, Settings, and then you go ahead and click on Update and Security. Now when it comes up, that one update will not be available. Even if you clicked on check for updates, it won't show up. But if I go ahead and I close this, and I go ahead and run this again, the wushowhide, if I run that program again, and I click on next, and let it find everything, I can see which updates have been hidden, and I can unhide them so that you can see them again in Windows Update. So let's give that just a moment. Okay, so now I'm going to click on Show Hidden Updates. Okay, and you can see that I have that update right here that I just selected. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one update, the 2024-07 Cumulative Update Preview for .NET Framework 3.5, 4.8, and 4.8.1 for Windows 10. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And I'm going to click on next. Okay, so now it has restored that one hidden update, which was that .NET Framework update. So now if I went back to the Windows Update and I told it to check for updates, that one update would be available and it would go ahead and install that update. Thanks so much, everybody. I really hope that was helpful on how you can either show the hidden updates if you want to install them, or you can hide updates that you don't want to install on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you do have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments section, and I'll do my best to get back to you about those. And if there's a video that you'd like for me to create, please let me know down below in the comments as well, and I'll do my best to create that video for you. And as always, because you all do such a great job, if you can, hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep putting up more great content like how do I hide my updates or show hidden updates in Windows 10 or Windows 11, and I'll be glad to keep putting up all this great content for you all. Thanks so much, everybody. I really appreciate you all. I hope you have a great day. Take care. God bless. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.